Welcome to beautiful Utah. This is from our trip to EJS. We were out on Hell's Revenge. It's a great day for it, so follow along. The spines leading to the trail, there's one way in and one way out, but there's plenty of obstacles like this one here. You can always go around if you want. Unfortunately, I didn't have a forward-facing camera for this one, but you'll see it on the other ones. You're gonna climb. Driver. Okay, passenger. Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. The other back up. Okay, right there. Hard passenger. Okay, go. Straighten them out a little bit. I had a really good interview with Tony with the Jeep Talk Show. Unfortunately, I had audio issues, but check out the Jeep Talk Show, 4 episodes a week and sometimes 5 for a chick chat. The camera never gives you a good idea how steep something is. It just amazes me how much grip you actually get on this rock. You can see the black tire marks everywhere. And you're at a steep incline. I'm trying to use a door as a reference for how steep this is. And you have to assume no one stopped at the top because you can't see what you're going to crest over. Mr. Duke. Hello. We even got to use our trail vise that we make to fix a control arm issue, but it also does U-joints, so check that out on our webpage. We came up on a crew who was in and out of one of the hot tubs there. Wanted to try it, but there's so many people there. Maybe next time. This obstacle looks a lot easier than it really is, because when you're in there you almost feel like it's leaning you over into the wall, and on the other side it looks like a huge drop off, so you're trying not to smash the roof of your Jeep into that wall. Tons of great scenery. You never know when you run into fellow YouTubers. You always got to watch and see who's coming down, because it's hard to see what's coming over that next hill. Remember that on Hell's Revenge there's only one way in and one way out, so just make sure you're taking the right line. We didn't get to Hell's Gate. Next time we'll have to make that a priority. But it was definitely a good time. I'm looking forward to EJS 2024. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you here for more wheeling. Thanks for watching.